Hello. Yeah. Okay. We're in. Hello, guys. It's me, WhatTech. Um, so it's a live stream again. Let me just see if the audio is working, because knowing me, it's probably not working. um. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing great today. Yep. I just gotta. Yep. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Hello. The audio is working. So as you can see, we're on Linux Ubuntu desktop. So today we're just going to be discussing some random stuff. So first of all, I would like to thank you guys for getting, I think, over, isn't it? Yeah, it's been 2,000 views so far. I mean, yeah, I get it's shorts only, but I mean, I'm still really happy for that. So I would like to thank you guys for the 2,000 views. Let's try and get more views, and let's try and get more subscribers. As I said before, 100k subs, and I'm showing my face. Yeah, cool. So let me just quickly do this because live patch doesn't is being a nuisance again. Oh god. I hope it doesn't show it. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, good. So we just need to open it. So basically what live patch is, because you're probably wondering what live patch um, is just basically a software that updates your security without restarting your computer. So for example, Windows would pop up with a notification, oh, you've got to update your system now. It has loads of security patches. Basically, live patch just gives you the security patches without needing to restart, which is great. Because if I'm like, for example, and playing Minecraft or whatever, I can just always just update without having interruptions. So, for example, if I go into software and updates, yes, even shows you can even pick out the source code, which is great. So yeah. So. Oh wait, why is this? Okay. So as you can see, when you like, for example, download the drivers, watch the video. I'll probably link in the descriptions. In the description. Why did I say descriptions? You basically when you install the drivers for NVIDIA 1050 Ti, the new GPU I have, you basically get this software, and it's called NVIDIA X Server Settings. I think actually, never mind, you actually get it straight away when you download it from, or is it nvidia.com. So NVIDIA, yeah, basic. Oh god. Well, if you spell NVIDIA correctly, because I suck at spelling, this is what you should get. If you don't put the I before the A, please don't. This is the official website, basically. If it looks any different, then no, it's not that. So basically, what you do is just deforce. Yeah, basically do that, and just you pick out your product series and blah blah blah. Operating system as well. If it's like Windows 11, barely anyone has that, and if they have, it's not really usable OS like Windows 10, for example. You can get Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, and Linux 64-bit. I don't think there's a 32-bit for Linux though, which is unfortunate. But yeah, I might do some gaming. So guys, in the what is it called? In the chat, please vote what you want. I can play either just Shapes and Beats. Actually, no, that's gonna get me copyrighted, claimed. Minecraft, Muck, or War Thunder. I'll give you guys a second to think what you guys want to see. And yeah. Oh, I've got two screens. Okay. Oh, and also I'm planning to do a new series. I don't know if I should do it on shorts or just normal videos. Should I just do like a mm, videos of about news, tech news? If if you guys want that, I'll make it work out. You know, I can get it to work, and yeah. Why is this? Why is this? Hey, get out. Mock desktop. Empty, empty. Okay, good. So yeah. Um. So yeah. The news. I'm inspired by to do the news. I'm really inspired actually. Wait. YouTube. No, it's not. What is it called? No, what is it called? Wait, let me just go into Linus's wait, channels. So inspired by TechLinked, yeah. Make sure to subscribe to them if you want to see tech news, because they're a great channel. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a nice idea. It's a nice idea, to be honest. Let me just mess around in the terminal with my NeoFetch. Just to show off my Ubuntu, you know, just yes. So I actually funny thing is, I tried to copy this, but if I do Control C, and I go into where is it? Where is Libre? There it is LibreOffice Write. You get the point. Okay. Cool. So basically, if you copy it, no, that's the wrong thing. Control C. Oh. Well, that's not cool. Let's see if it works now. No, it still doesn't. Why? Why does it not work? Okay, never mind. Cause it's just really weird, you know. Don't say that. I can't be bothered. So yeah, so I can see in the chat that you guys want to see Minecraft. So I can play some Minecraft. What do you guys want to see? I don't know. I can do a hardcore world, or I can play some Hypixel if you want me to. Yeah, latest release. Oh, guys, are you excited for 1.18? That's coming out soon. Cause I'm for sure excited for it. Cause it's gonna be sick. The caves and cliffs update. Actually, no, the caves have been added already. No, wait, this is 1.17. This is where they added the X-Slot and all that stuff. So, actually, before I do that, what was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? No. Yeah, but so actually I've seen some improvement. If you haven't seen the video where against the Vega 7 against the 1050 Ti, I've seen some big frame rate improvement with the 1050 Ti, honestly, especially in Minecraft. I'll show you guys in a second what I mean by the frame rates, because it's a big difference. I think it's like 50 FPS more. Let me just check. But yesterday I tried running the 1050 Ti on Windows, and god damn, that was not beautiful. 720p, and then it was just disgusting. Okay, then I had to change it in settings. I'm just in general not not used to I'm not used to playing on Windows and using Windows now, since I'm a Linux user. And you guys are probably asking, is the Linux swap really that worth it? Yeah. I would say yeah, definitely. So as you can see, yeah, it's pretty laggy, but that's one thing because I'm streaming. Okay, 19 FPS, 20 FPS, 30 FPS, 29. Yeah, now it's getting bigger. Let's do some parkour. I'm not good at parkour. I don't think so, at least. Parkour. First try. Oh, there was a lag spike. There was a lag spike. I should have not jumped. Let's do some Hypixel parkour, because who doesn't like parkour? Am I right? Pop, pop. Okay. Yeah, I'm a sweat. No, I'm not a sweat. Okay, let me just go back to the lobby. So, what do you guys want to see on Minecraft? What do you guys want to see on Minecraft? I don't know. On Hypixel. That's what I'm trying to say. Do you want to see, I don't know, the bridges, sky walls, bed walls, I don't know. By the way, I get more FPS, don't worry about it, it's just because I'm streaming as well. But yeah, I'll just do like a quick game of like bridges or something. To playing, let's see if I get a... Yeah, so normally I like looking at my FPS, because I like to flex to my... Yeah, there we go, 100 FPS. But is the 1050 Ti really worth the 100 and something pounds or 200 and something dollars? Yeah, it's a 2021 budget card, and it really does somehow outperform the RX 580. I think my friend has. Wait, let me just check quickly. Let me just check. The RX 570, sorry. Yes, it really does outperform somehow the RX 570. And the RX 570 is from 2017, I think. So yeah. Yeah, 2017. Not bad. So I'm still shocked that the 1050 Ti does outperform it. It's literally 2 years younger than, 2 years older than the RX 570. But you know, I mean, it's just shocking, because if the 2 years of the 2 year difference, you expect like a big leap in performance. And I was playing with my friend. Oh, it's probably because he's using Windows. I guess I'm doing it unfair, an unfair test. But basically, he has the RX 570, and it's not bad, of course. It's really good. But if when we were benchmarking Minecraft, he was using Windows, I just realized that. So it will of course be more slower and chuggier. But generally, we were benchmarking it. I think there was like a 40 FPS difference. And you might be like, oh, 40 FPS isn't that much. What are you talking about? It depends what game you're playing. Because if it's like, for example, Minecraft, it depends how much FPS you have. If it's like 60 FPS and there's a 40 FPS difference, then yeah, then that's better. If it's like, for example, Muck as well. Muck is pretty hard to play, honestly. You need pretty damn hardware. Because when I was trying to play it on the Vega 7, Jesus Christ, I would not get more than 20 FPS. Actually, I would sometimes get more than 20 FPS, but you know, not all the time. So yeah. Let me just send it to some people, you know. Okay. So we're gonna wait for this lobby to actually do stuff. Actually, I should have renamed the stream, because why is it chat and code? I just realized that. I will rename it later. Probably be chat and discuss. So yeah. Okay, so we've got 1 viewer so far. I mean, that's better than 0 at least. Fun story, actually. I've started slowly getting more subs and views because of shorts. So if there's like people who want to quickly blow up, I guess good advice is to do shorts. But then I wouldn't rely on your other videos, because trust me, shorts, people are just gonna watch the shorts and be like, oh cool, I might subscribe, you know. But then, let me just kill that guy. I just boosted him. Oh, I got it. So, Swaggy Minecraft. So, yeah, as what was I saying again? Yeah, so if you're gonna be relying on shorts, don't maybe when you get more subscribers, maybe try and pull out the videos like I do, like longer videos. But I started doing shorts for fun. I really didn't think I would get far with it. And how the tables have turned now, I have like 2,000 views. But if we look at the statistics quickly, why is terminal on? Let me just close the terminal. If we watch this, if we look at the statistics, my channel. Yeah, so if we go into the statistics, honestly, look, I mean the Linux Adventures which drivers to use for GTX 1050 Ti didn't really do well. Oh, I think it's because it's longer. The longer it is, I think it doesn't perform well. But for example, if we take the sneak peek of the next video, 5 days ago, okay, 550 views. 5 days ago as well, my biggest upgrade yet, which was inserting the 1050 Ti and the CV450. It's only got 7 views, okay? So this is the problem with shorts, okay? So when you go into shorts, for example, people just watch the video on shorts. Some people, you might get people who want to watch more of your channel, but most of the time it's just gonna be just people who want to people who just want to who just watch shorts. So it's not really reliable for your content. I mean, I'm doing it because I kind of like doing short videos as well. I just like having a mixture of content, so some are long, some are just short. Because as you can see, lately some of the upgrades have been very long, and don't get me wrong, they're long because I'm new to computers and it was my first time doing it. Like, I know lots about computers. Don't get me wrong. Even my people in school that go to the same class, they know me and they know that I know loads about tech. But when you start doing it yourself, when you start putting stuff into your computer, it's not only stressful, but it's also weird because you're doing it for the first time. You think, oh, this is gonna be easy because I already know how things go. No, it doesn't go like that. Because it may look easy on videos, but it's not. Sometimes it could be easy for some other people, but hard for others. So yeah. So we're just waiting for people to join. I guess this is gonna be probably the last game I play, and then I don't know. I'll just ask you guys again. So yeah. But I'm not gonna make this a gaming channel. I probably might stream and game at the same time. But yeah, I don't think I might start a new channel for gaming, but until this channel doesn't blow up, because I really want this channel to blow up. Don't get me wrong, because I've got like 7 other channels that I've tried. None of them worked. Okay. Because my first channel is like on 100 and something subs. I don't use it anymore. It was really cringe. It was just the beginning of my YouTube journey. But yeah, it didn't go as planned. So yeah. But it didn't go as planned because it got all cringy, weird, and all that stuff. Ow. So I was like, I'm not gonna do gaming then if I'm gonna do that bad. So I was like, screw gaming. Actually no. Then I made my second channel, and my second channel was gaming, but it's in Polish, because if you didn't know that, I'm bilingual, so I know Polish and English. Okay, so it's So I tried that. It went worse than the first gaming channel. So I was like, screw it. Then I just threw it out of the window, and I was like, whatever. I'm not gonna bother trying if it's not gonna blow up, and it wasn't really doing well, anyways. And by that time, I think I was like 9 or 8. So some of my content was pretty bad. Because all I did was just stream and do videos on my phone. And, you know, most people watch stuff on, like, computers. So, for example, like in the comments now, tell me if you would rather watch gaming on a phone or gaming on a computer. Cause tell me now, or a console, whatever, same thing. Just tell me now. What would you rather watch? Okay. Cause I honestly thought gaming on a phone would bring me loads and I'd be famous. But as every 9-year-old goes back to it and is like, oh right, yeah. The moment of realization is the most painful thing to see, because especially for like 9-year-olds and younger older people, it's really heartbreaking to see that they try really hard. I mean hard as in, you know, they try their best. Okay, sometimes they try their best. They really want to be like their favorite YouTubers, but then they just don't succeed in it, and it's like, oh god, this is not nice, and then they just give up on YouTube. Sometimes that happens because, like I said, I have 7 channels. So then, the next channel was just me and my friend messing around, and I don't know, just it was just a channel for the two of us. So like, I don't know why, but one of the cringiest videos was me just singing with her. Oh god, was that cringe. We don't talk about that. But then we just did meme reviews and all that stuff. Yeah, it was. And then also, when it comes to editing, editing on a phone is not amazing. You don't want to do editing on a phone, okay? Editing on a phone, yeah, right, before I finish the sentence, yeah, like one of the people said in chat, when you're 9, you feel grown up, but when you're 10, you feel like you were a baby back then. Yeah, that's true. You feel grown up at that stage, and you're like, I can do this. I can get millions of subs. It's harder than you think. Okay, so that third channel, we after like 3 videos, we just threw it out of the window again. And at that point, I was bound to give up because my friend was having like 200 subs. For me, that was big subscribers. Okay, don't get me wrong, 200 subscribers is a lot. Okay, but for me, it was like Mr. Beast now. Like 200 subs for me then was 60 million subs, the equivalent of 60 million subs. Okay, which is an over exaggeration, of course, but that's what every 9-year-old felt. If you get me. I don't know if you guys had that same thing when you were younger, where you wanted to become a YouTuber as well. What was the next channel I had? So that was the third one. Then I had an animation one. I could have carried the channel more longer, but the problem was animations took forever, and I had school, I had homework, and it was just animating on a phone as well. Like, imagine this: you use your finger or a pen or whatever, and you draw on your phone. That's not really great, okay? That's not what you want to do. Like, professional animators have tablets, you know, they have drawing gear, they have time for it. But for me, no, there was no time for it. So after around, oh yeah, that's fine, Waffle Man, it's fine. So after around like 4 videos, I think it was, I just gave up and said it's done. Yeah. What was the next channel then? So which channel was that? That was like my 4th one, right? Wait, let me just check. So, let me just check all my emails then. Oh, maybe I have like 5 then. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I have 6 channels. Okay, so then I tried to game on. I tried to game again, but in Polish, and it went worse than the first. The first time. Okay, so after that channel, I just came to this channel, and now I really want it to blow up. Like, I know I'm not gonna become the Linus Tech Tips in this year. No, I'm not. It will take ages, and it's only if I don't give up like I did with other channels. But because of how much I love computers, I really want this channel to blow up, and I just really want it to be my full-time job later on. So yeah, because tech is ruling the world now. Soon it's gonna rule the whole world. Because like, like, what are you watching it on? Well, what are you watching this stream on? Okay, you're watching it on a phone probably, or a laptop, or a computer. I don't know. You could be watching it on a Galaxy Active Watch. Okay, like I do, because I'm weird. Okay, but but look, you're watching this online. Okay, and so you're holding a piece of tech in your hand. Okay, so you probably don't know what's even inside it. Like, if you're watching it on a computer, you probably just bought it from, like, I don't know, Curry's PC World or Newegg. I don't know. You probably built it yourself or something. Most people just don't know how to build their own computer, okay? And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? But back in those days when computers started becoming a thing, people started building their own computers, okay? They knew what to do. Like MS-DOS, for example. The first Windows operating system. I mean, it didn't count as Windows, but it was the first operating system from Microsoft, probably. Yeah, it was. So MS-DOS, it was basically like PowerShell, the terminal in Ubuntu. Yeah, people had to learn that for themselves, so they know how to operate their computer. Just to like open a window or settings, you would have to do something physically on your motherboard. And look at these days now. Like, I could just press the Windows key, and look, I'm in the Ubuntu desktop. Like, it's not that hard, okay? Look, I just press escape, and look, I'm in the Ubuntu desktop. In those days, you didn't have, like, graphical stuff like this. You'd just, like, be typing codes. This is not a code, but, like, I'm giving you an example, okay? So these days now, it's just really powerful hardware, and, like... So back to the watching on a computer. If you're watching it on a computer, okay, you probably don't know what's in the computer. So that's why I started this channel, so people can actually watch what's in their tech. You know, what does this do and all that stuff. Because, for example, in my school, we have computers, of course, and we just do it. But then once my teacher gave us the like hardware, and I was really super excited and hyped, you know, because it's hardware. I love that was when I was like still at the early ages of learning about computers. I think that was when I finished about learning about CPUs, motherboards, and all that stuff. I think that was when I was getting into PCIe and all that stuff. But anyways, he gave us the hardware, okay, and I was hyped, like every child in school. Like everyone's excited for that. Okay, maybe I'm just the only one, but you get the point, okay? So he gives us the hardware, and everyone's just looking at it, okay, and they're like, "What the hell is this?" That's probably what 90% of people thought in the when he was handing this stuff out, and I was like, "Damn, this is cool," cause I already knew what all this stuff does. Like, I've never held a motherboard before, and you're probably like, "Well, if you know about computers, then why don't you know about Why have you never held a motherboard? Well, long story short, I just bought a pre-built and I just upgrade it every so often, as you can see in the videos. Oh, hello, Waffle Man. You're back. That's great. Yay, more people. So, so you're probably like, why haven't you held a RAM stick before? And I'm like, well, it's pre-built. Why would I need to touch any of it if it's already in there? Why? The only things I've actually touched is a RAM stick, of course. Now, from my PC, of course, is a RAM stick. My SATA SSDs, my power supply, my fan, my what is it called? My graphics card. But really, that's all. I've never touched my motherboard because there's this thing called static electricity. I'm not really a scientist, but static electricity is basically when you you know how you watch those kids programs and it's like scientists and all that stuff, you know, and it's like they tell you to rub your feet on the floor, especially if they're rugs. Yeah, basically that friction causes electricity, and it's called static electricity. That electricity can be dangerous to your computer. That's why I was wearing gloves, plastic gloves, when I was installing the graphics card, because I was kind of a drama queen there. But hardware has gone more stronger now, especially because, I mean, if you were to, I'll put a link in the descriptions. I'll put a link to the descriptions for a video from Linus Tech Tips and Electro Boom, where they basically just electricize themselves, or whatever it's called. They just put static electricity in themselves, and then they start touching computer hardware. And honestly, hardware, you would need loads. I mean, sometimes you could be the unlucky person and sometimes just kill it straight away with not much power. But sometimes you could just even try and kill it and you can't even kill it. So, you know, it's impressive how the hardware's doing these days. Because back in those days, you know, you had to be all gentle. I mean, you still have to be gentle, don't get me wrong. Like, if you have a graphics card, please don't throw it on the floor, especially if it's like a RTX 3090. Like, you've got to play Cyberpunk with ray tracing and ultra thingy settings. I mean, Cyberpunk wasn't great at the start, but you know. So yeah, I'll ask this once again. In the chat, can someone tell me, would you want me to do tech news? So basically just me just doing news about tech, so what the biggest tech companies are doing and all that stuff. Because I can do that. But just first of all, tell me if you want to see that, okay? So in the chat, you can just tell me now. I'll say spam click. Oh, is this 1.8? Oh god. Yes, okay, so Waffleman is saying yes, okay. So, should I do... right, I'll give you guys a number, okay? Let me just write it down in LibreOffice. Okay, so number 1, okay? Number 1, should I do the tech news on a new I don't think I spelled separate right. Whatever. So that's number 1. Number 2. Should I do the tech news as shorts videos? Or number 3. Should I do the tech news as normal videos on the main channel? Okay, so here's all your options, okay? So in the chat you can type in 1, 2, or 3, and I'll pick that one. I will decide on that one, okay? So basically, if you're new here, why I'm doing this is because of TechWiki. Oh no, not TechWiki. TechLinked. Okay, so TechLinked is this channel. Okay, make sure to subscribe to them. Where am I not subscribed? With the notification bell on.
You clicked the video.
And they're basically a humongous channel with just in general like tech news and software news, you know, all that stuff. I have been watching some of their latest videos and I really like it, so I'm inspired by them. Make sure to subscribe. Full credit to them. But yeah, back to the decision. Which one do you want me to do? It's kind of awkward. No. Okay, so there's still no one who's said what you guys want to see. Because I honestly think 1 no, 2 yes, 3 make a few normal videos as compilations of many yeah, okay, that's a good idea. So I'll just probably do like tech news every day, whatever I find, and then whatever I find I'll just like at the end of the week I'll just mash them up together and all that stuff. Okay, so what was 1? Should I do a tech news on a... Okay, good, so no. 2, yes. Should I do a tech news and shorts? Yes, okay. So 1 is gone. 1, goodbye. So I'll just save this now. Save as. Yeah, documents. Chat said so. I'm blaming you, you guys. Okay, so save. Okay. So I think I'm gonna start working in it. So I really don't want to be like that one that copies from people, and I know because I'm oh my god, my favorite YouTuber is streaming. 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 Oh no, what have I done? 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 Let's just watch a separate video. Now that the chaos is gone. Step 1. Why is this so quiet? Turn it on. Please check with your motherboard manufacturer to see what button you have to press to get into the... I think it's quiet because I think it's quiet because I was messing with OBS. So yeah. Okay, I fixed it. Yes, it's over. Don't make me turn it on again, Waffle Man. Okay, so impressions 224. Total number of times your video thumbnails was shown to viewers since the video was published. Okay. 5% of that, so that means only 28. Oh, okay. Unique viewers. I don't get what unique viewers means, but okay. So 60% of people on traffic source, they search up Windows 11 sucks, okay? Windows 11 is 20% and Windows 11 rant is 5%. Okay. So Windows 11 was the first like big one to start. Then Windows 11 sucks started to like, then all dropped, then there was a big spike, then bigger spike. Yeah. So what happens if, for example, I So what happens if I watch my stream again? 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 So let's go for what is it called? Oh no, there's the loop. Oh my god. What have I done? What was I gonna pick? So what if I like do Windows 11 sucks? Okay, so of course my video doesn't pop up, okay? Windows 11 sucks is 2 months ago. Okay, so they were the first ones to do it. I'll give them credit for that. Windows 11 sucks. Windows 11 sucks. Jesus Christ. Everyone hates Windows now. Windows 11 sucks. And still, no video of mine. Oops. I mean, no, don't get me wrong, I was late to it, so... Windows 10 Rage compilation. Okay. Yeah, so of course my video is not gonna pop up since, well, I'm a small channel, okay, that's why you should subscribe now. Gamers. Oh! Sorry, I was just eating my microphone. Okay, so isn't it like under 4 minutes my video? Yeah, there we go. Now it's showing, okay? But like compare this to the top video, 3.1 thousand views, okay? Then it's 600, then it's 500, then 28, okay? Then 7. And then more. What is this? What is this? YouTube, fix your stuff. I don't know. Oh, mine was 2 weeks ago, no wonder. Okay. But still, like honestly, I like my channel, okay? I get that some of my videos do suck. Like for example, the beginning videos, yeah, that's for sure. Like for example, yeah, Flavors of Memory. Then let's do that. Can I just say this video is the only way people actually can find my channel. Like, look, I can't find my channel using that, okay? Unless I specifically do that. But who the hell's gonna just try and search up this? Of course mine's inside. Why? No!
Hi guys, before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, What Tech, to never miss out any of the future videos. Hey guys, today we will be talking about different types of memory. This includes SRAM, DRAM, flash memory, and so let's hop into it. So as I mentioned, memory comes in different flavors. Flash memory, it is the only memory on this list that is non-volatile. It is not to
so this is very cringe. Of course, I was reading from a Microsoft Word document script, okay, so I read this for myself so I can use it in my videos. So, why am I so weird? I guess I'm becoming all the YouTubers that suck on their microphone. Yeah, wait, let me just get some water. Okay. So, basically... Don't scare me like that. So, basically, the video is here. They're on a PowerPoint, they're on a Microsoft PowerPoint slide. And they're just basically me just reading from a script that I made in 5 minutes on Microsoft Word. Don't get me wrong, I thought this was really, really good at the time. This was, wait. This was 4 months ago, I think it was, right? This was 4 months ago, right? No, 3 months ago. So 3 months ago, I thought that was great, okay? Up to about... Up to about where what is thermal throttling. I think that was when I was still thinking, oh, this is all cool and all that stuff, yeah. But then when I got to, when was the first scripted one? Why is YouTube bad? And why is, I need to give this a thumbnail. Oh, I'll make a thumbnail later, I guess. Yeah, I'll make a thumbnail later. Actually, should we do the thumbnail now? I think we are. So I'm gonna show you guys how I produce videos. Okay. I don't get then whatever. Bob, my real name, my actual real name is Bob. If you guys didn't know, and I'm not joking. Okay. So let's search. What was I gonna search? Oh yeah, YouTube. So let's just like get a quick image of YouTube. Like, why is this here? Baby Shark. What the hell? That's not YouTube. What the hell? I'm trying to find a good. There we go. This is a good one. I'm just gonna hippity hoppity copy this. This is now my property. Okay. So open. And I want to open it in a different. This is useless. Just open. Where is Shockwell or whatever it's called? Shockwell. There we go. Okay. So, I'll take pictures. Bro, what is this, my friend? Come on! Why are you not working? Open with Shopwell. Yeah, there we go. Got him. So now we're gonna make a thumbnail, okay? So we're gonna go. What does red eye do? I don't cancel. Whatever. Enhance. I know what is this. Contrast. Saturation. No, saturation. Yes. Yes. Okay. And now draw. Can I not draw? Really? I want to draw. Come on. Whee! Oh, I just adjust. Contrast. Saturation. Yes. Perfect. What does highlights do? Okay, perfect. Now file. Actually, edit. No. Save as. Current. Okay. No pictures. Yeah. Okay. Thumbnail. So I was talking to my other friend, okay, and he watches my channel, and he did tell me that I need to do something because I'm not gonna blow up with just terrible videos like this, okay? What is this? BIOS or UEFI. Mostly it will be the delete button, but please check. So what is this? It's just a PowerPoint slide. Come on, I need to do better. I agree with my friend. Hi guys, before we start this video, make sure to subscribe and like. Sorry, I need to do that. Okay, there we go. We need to do just there, save. Okay, this is all I do. and I'm not. I kid you not. I honestly do this. Only do it. Okay. I know it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, but yeah. So, before I go, I would like to thank you guys for all the support so far. I'll do the news stuff later. And yeah, I really appreciate all your support and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna shamelessly promote my channel. Make sure to subscribe and like, and yeah, and you're gonna get 1 year of good luck. Totally. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.